In this video, you will learn how to successfully apply 3M's DI-NOC brand architectural finishes to outside corners. Before applying the film, always clean the substrate to be sure it is free of dust and contaminants. Wipe with a solution of 70% isopropyl alcohol and 30% water, and then wipe dry. Be sure your hands are clean and free of dirt and lotions to avoid contaminating the adhesive. And always work on a clean surface with clean tools. You will need a cutting tool with break-off blades, 2 3M brand applicator PA1 gold squeegees. One squeegee should have the edge protected with the soft loop side of 3M's hook and loop tape or a 3M brand low friction sleeve PA1. 3M brand adhesion promoter. 3M's Primer 94 is a solvent-based product. A 1-inch wide bristle paintbrush. A 1/2 inch wide rigid cutting guide, some clean cotton gloves, and 3M brand sandpaper. In this technique, you will apply the first panel of film and wrap it around the corner. Then you'll apply the second panel of film and trim it at the corner. Apply the adhesion promoter to both sides of the outside corner, along the entire length of the area to be covered with film. Allow it to dry for 5 to 15 minutes. Roll back and crease 2 to 3 inches of liner to expose some adhesive. Position the film so 1 inch extends past the outside corner. Be sure to maintain a good vertical alignment. Lightly adhere the top edge of the film to the wall. The proper squeegee technique is to work from the center to edge, always pushing the air to the nearest edge and using firm overlapping strokes. Continue removing more liner and squeegeeing the film onto the wall, and then go over all edges again. At the corner, hold the unapplied film to provide some tension. Then, with a gloved hand, use your thumb to adhere the film to the edge of the outside corner. Continue to work down the corner, keeping some tension on the unapplied film. Work this edge up and down 2 or 3 times. Continue working the film up and down while rolling your thumb slightly over the edge of the corner and maintaining some tension on the unapplied film. When you have applied about 1 inch of film around the outside corner, use the squeegee to finish applying the film. Work from the corner across the film and onto the wall. Squeegee up and down the length of the film to ensure good and full adhesion. Align a 1/2 inch wide cutting guide against the outside corner and use a clean sharp blade to cut the film on the other side of the guide. Remove the excess film. Apply adhesion promoter to the narrow strip of film overlapping onto the wall. Allow it to dry for 5 to 15 minutes. Fold back a few inches of liner from the next film panel and crease the liner. Position the film so 1 inch of it extends past the outside corner while keeping the film aligned vertically. Use your fingers to lightly adhere the film to the wall. Pull down a few inches of liner and squeegee as instructed before. Re-squeegee all film edges without rolling the film over the outside corner. Carefully hold the tip of the blade flat against the outside corner and draw it down through the film to cut off the excess film. Finish refining the cut edge by gently and lightly sanding any rough edges of the film. Outside corners are just that easy with 3M brand DI-NOC architectural finishes. Please see our website for more videos on applying 3M's DI-NOC brand architectural finishes.